Hi guys, Healthy Head Coach Lisa here with another quick tutorial. Did you know that you can easily edit any measurements or nutritional data you want on an entry? Say your favorite restaurant has changed their recipes, or your favorite supermarket product scans differently than what shows up in the app. This happens for a number of reasons, but you can very easily fix them. To do that, all you need to do is tap to open any item from a scan, My Foods, or your favorites. At the present time, you can't do this from your tracking screen or from the recipes section. Once you have the entry open, you'll see three dots in the top right-hand corner. Tap the dots and then tap Edit. This opens up a screen where you can edit anything you need: the name, description, serving size, nutritional value, how you want it measured. Just be sure that you're keeping them in line with the information on the label. Once you've got everything changed, tap the star to save it to your favorites for quickly finding it later, and tap Save. This newly corrected item will then be found as a new entry under your My Foods tab. It won't change or adjust the original scan, so just be sure to use this newly created item moving forward. That's it. If you have any questions, join us in our main Facebook group, Healthy Wellness Support, which is linked in the description box below.